and a minus, and you have a gauge. I'm going to zoom down on the gauge and I'll explain everything how it is. Okay, the way to read this gauge is it's two parts, actually three parts. What you have here is the 6 volt right up top here, the 6 volt battery test. Below that you see it says 12 volt. It goes all the way out to the bad. The weak is the yellow, and the green is the good. Okay, inside the green, you will notice you have 1,000, 800, 600, 400, and 200. Those are your cranking amps. Every battery is rated at cranking amps. Past that, down here at the end, you have your charging system diagnosis test. That you attach to the car while it's running with all the appliances going, and it will tell you if your car has a proper charging system, if it's working correctly. That's the second video. You guys can find that on my channel. So for this example, I'm using a 12 volt car battery. So we're going to use the bottom section here. See where it says 12? We're going to use that section to judge our battery. So let's hook it up to the battery and see what we get. Alright, so now that I zoomed out, we're going to attach our tester to our battery. Positive to positive. Negative to negative. Okay, now you're going to see immediately that this is a fresh battery. It just got charged, by the way. You're going to see immediately that it is well past the green. As I stated, it's a very freshly charged battery. But on the bottom of the unit, we have this switch here. This will apply the load, and it will tell us exactly where our battery stands under load, because that's really what matters. You can have a car battery that's registering perfectly high, but when a load is applied, it drains immediately. So that's really important. So let's go ahead and flick this switch here on the bottom, and you're only supposed to do it for 10 seconds or more. And you see it's sitting right at the 1,000 cranking amps. So we're going to let go and try that one more time. And right at that 1,000 cranking amp. Now you're going to notice some smoke coming out of this unit. That's normal. That's the heating element inside getting hot. That is the actual load. Heat is the hardest thing to make, so that's why they use the heating element here for your battery to be tested under while on load. So you can see this is a perfectly functioning battery. It is in good condition. It is registering well in the green, and even under load, it's well in the green. And this battery, according to the sticker here on the back, says 1,000 cranking amps. So this battery is registering exactly how it's supposed to be, and 850 cold cranking amps. So let's test out a second battery and see what we get. Here's my secondary car battery.